Thanks for staying tuned to 15 on 15. A new invention has allowed pet owners to still interact with their furry friends even if they are out of the house or even out of the country for that matter. Check out this technologically advanced pet cube. What do you think happens to your pet when you are not around? Cue in Pet Cube. It is the best way to always be close to your pet. The technologically advanced device has a wide-angle camera, microphone, and laser point. This is all connected to your Wi-Fi. As long as you have a smartphone, you can see, hear, talk to your pets, and even play with them with a laser pen. When you are busy on your smartphone, you can tell people you are busy exercising your pets. Taking it one step further, PetCube allows you to save photos and videos through the software. You are able to share these on social media. Here is something else that is fantastic about the cube. In the future, pet cubes will live at pet shelters, so everyone can play with rescue animals and adopt one of them. Now, as a pet owner myself, I have to say that it is a fantastic invention. For more information on it, search PetCube on Kickstarter.com.